Your money tree might not be dying, but it could be silently screaming for water right now, and most plant owners don't notice until it's too late. Here's the truth. Money trees don't collapse overnight. They slowly weaken, leaf by leaf, while giving you subtle warning signs that are incredibly easy to miss. And if you ignore them, what starts as a small watering issue can turn into yellow leaves, root stress, and a completely struggling plant. But here's the good news. Your plant is not complicated. It's actually very expressive. Once you learn its language, you can tell exactly when it needs water before any real damage happens. In this video, you're going to discover the 5 most accurate signs your money tree is thirsty, even if the soil looks fine on the surface. Some of these signs are obvious, but others are so subtle that even experienced plant lovers miss them. If your money tree is drooping, slowing down, or just not looking as vibrant as before, this video will help you fix it fast and bring it back to life. Let's dive in before your plant sends out its final warning. Drooping or limp leaves. 1 of the very first and most visible signs that your money tree needs water is drooping or limp leaves. A healthy money tree has strong upward-facing leaves that feel full of life. But when water becomes limited, the plant starts to lose internal pressure. This is called turgor pressure, and that's when the leaves begin to sag. At first, the change is subtle. You might notice just a few leaves looking slightly tired in the afternoon. But as the dehydration continues, the entire canopy starts to look heavy, soft, and lifeless. It's almost like the plant is melting downward. This happens because water is essential for keeping plant cells firm. Without enough moisture, the cells inside the leaves shrink slightly and the structure weakens. The result? That classic drooping appearance. But here's where many plant owners get confused. Drooping doesn't always mean overwatering. In fact, underwatering and overwatering can both cause similar symptoms. The difference is in the soil. If the soil is dry and the leaves are drooping, your plant is almost certainly thirsty. A quick way to confirm is to gently touch the leaves. If they feel soft, thin, and less rigid than usual, that's a strong signal of dehydration. The good news? This is one of the easiest problems to fix. A deep, thorough watering usually brings the plant back within hours to a day. You may even notice the leaves lifting slightly after watering as the plant rehydrates itself. However, if you repeatedly ignore this sign, the drooping becomes more permanent, and recovery takes much longer. So think of drooping leaves as your money tree's first help-me signal. Simple, clear, and impossible to ignore once you know what it means. Dry soil. The most reliable way to tell if your money tree needs water is still the simplest. Check the soil. But not just the surface. You need to go deeper. Many people make the mistake of only looking at the top layer of soil. The surface can feel dry even when moisture is still present underneath. That's why the best method is to insert your finger about 2-3 inches into the pot. If the soil feels dry at that depth, your money tree is ready for watering. If it still feels slightly moist or cool, you can wait another day or two. Money trees prefer a balanced moisture level. Not soggy, not bone dry. In their natural environment, they grow in tropical regions where the soil stays lightly moist but still drains well. So when the soil becomes completely dry for too long, the roots start to lose access to the hydration they need. You might also notice that dry soil begins to pull away from the edges of the pot. This creates small gaps between the soil and container walls, another strong indicator that watering is needed. One important warning. If your soil becomes hydrophobic, meaning water runs straight through without soaking in, it's been too dry for too long. In this case, you may need to water slowly in stages or bottom water the plant to help it absorb moisture properly again. Checking soil moisture regularly helps you prevent both underwatering and overwatering. It gives you real-time insight into what your plant actually needs instead of guessing based on appearance alone. Think of soil as your money tree's report card. When it's dry, the plant is telling you clearly, it's time to water. Curling or crispy leaf edges. Another strong sign your money tree is not getting enough water is curling or crispy leaf edges. This symptom usually appears after the plant has been mildly stressed for a while. At first, the edges of the leaves may start curling inward slightly. This is the plant's natural defense mechanism. It tries to reduce surface area to slow down moisture loss. If the dry conditions continue, those edges begin to turn brown, dry, and crispy. Unlike drooping, which is more about structure, curling is about protection. The plant is actively trying to conserve every bit of water it has left. This damage often starts at the tips and edges because those areas are the most exposed and lose water the fastest. Over time, you might even see patches of dryness spreading inward if the watering issue is not corrected. It's important to understand that once a leaf turns crispy, that specific damage cannot be reversed. However, fixing the watering routine will stop the problem from spreading to new growth. One common mistake is mistaking this for a nutrient issue. While nutrient deficiency can sometimes contribute, in money trees, crispy edges are far more commonly linked to inconsistent watering. If you notice this sign, check the soil immediately. If it's dry, give the plant a thorough watering session and make sure excess water drains properly. Consistency is key here. Irregular watering patterns are what trigger this stress response. Healthy money. Tree leaves should feel smooth and flexible, not dry or brittle. Once you restore proper watering habits, new leaves will grow healthy again, even if older ones still show damage. Think of curling edges as your plant's stress signal. It's not just thirsty. It's already uncomfortable. Slowed or stalled growth. If your money tree has suddenly stopped producing new leaves or its growth has become unusually slow, this could be another hidden sign of underwatering stress. Money trees are naturally moderate growers, but they should still show steady progress during warm and active growing seasons. When water becomes limited, the plant shifts into survival mode instead of growth mode. Water plays a major role in transporting nutrients through the plant. Without enough hydration, the internal systems slow down, and energy is redirected toward keeping existing leaves alive rather than producing new ones. You might notice that new leaf buds stop forming or existing buds fail to open fully. In some cases, leaves may appear smaller than usual or take much longer to develop. This type of sign is easy to overlook because there is no dramatic visual change at first. Instead, it's a silent slowdown that happens gradually over weeks. Another clue is if your plant has been in the same position and lighting conditions, but its growth pattern suddenly changes without explanation. If nothing else has changed, no fertilizer issues, no light change, water is often the missing factor. When you restore proper watering, you won't see instant explosive growth overnight. But within a few weeks, the plant typically begins to respond with fresh, healthy leaves. Consistency matters more than quantity here. A stable watering routine helps the plant maintain its internal rhythm, which directly supports healthy growth cycles. So if your money tree feels like it's paused in time, don't ignore it. It might simply be waiting for proper hydration to restart its growth engine. Lighter or dull leaf color 1. Of the most overlooked signs of underwatering in a money tree is a change in leaf color and shine. Healthy money tree leaves are deep green, vibrant, and naturally glossy. That shine is a reflection of good hydration and strong cell structure. When the plant isn't getting enough water, the leaves start to lose that richness. Instead of a strong green tone, they may appear dull, faded, or slightly yellowish. This happens because water stress affects chlorophyll production, the pigment responsible for the plant's green color. As dehydration continues, the leaves also lose their natural glossiness. They may look more matte or flat, almost like they've been dusted or aged. This is often one of the earliest visual changes, even before serious drooping occurs. What makes this sign tricky is that it can be mistaken for lighting issues or nutrient deficiency. But if your lighting is stable and you haven't changed fertilizing habits, inconsistent watering is often the real cause. Another subtle clue is uneven color changes. Some leaves may look fine, while others appear slightly washed out. This inconsistency usually means the plant is struggling to distribute water evenly across all its foliage. Restoring proper watering helps bring back the natural vibrancy over time. New leaves will grow in stronger color, and existing leaves may regain some of their shine as the plant stabilizes. However, severely faded leaves may not fully return to their original color, so early detection is important. Think of leaf color as your money tree's health glow. When it fades, your plant is quietly asking for hydration support. So there you have it. The 5 clear signs your money tree needs watering before things get serious. From drooping leaves and dry soil to curling edges, slow growth, and fading color, your plant is constantly communicating with you. It doesn't suffer in silence. It gives signals. The key is learning how to read them early. The biggest mistake most plant owners